Have you ever wondered why so many insects seem to avoid ants? Why even the bravest bugs steer clear of these tiny creatures marching in lines? At first glance, ants might look small and harmless, but in the insect world, they are powerful, strategic, and even feared. To begin with, ants are among the most organized and cooperative creatures on Earth. They don't act alone, they act as a team. When an ant finds food, it leaves behind a chemical trail to guide its colony members to the source. This means that where there is one ant, a whole army could be just moments away. For other insects, this is a terrifying prospect. A single ant might be easy to fight or avoid, but an entire swarm of ants is a powerful force of nature. Insect species have learned through experience and instinct that getting in the way of a group of ants can be a deadly mistake. Ants are not just organized, they are also skilled fighters. Their bodies are equipped for battle. Many ants have powerful mandibles that can bite or hold their enemies. Some ants can inject venom, while others spray acid. One of the most famous examples is the fire ant, which can bite and sting at the same time, causing intense pain and even killing small insects in seconds. Imagine being a soft-bodied insect, like a caterpillar or a fly, and suddenly being surrounded by such aggressive and determined attackers. It's no wonder so many insects try to stay far away from ants. Another reason insects are afraid of ants is that ants are predators and scavengers. They eat a wide variety of food, including dead insects, live insects, and even parts of plants. Ants are not picky, and their willingness to attack or consume anything that is weak, dead, or alone makes them a constant threat in the insect world. For smaller or less aggressive insects, running into ants can be a death sentence. Some insects have developed survival strategies, like hiding during the day when ants are most active, or using camouflage to blend into their surroundings. This shows just how seriously they take the ant threat. The fear of ants is not just based on strength, it's also based on intelligence. Ants communicate through chemicals called pheromones, and they use these to coordinate attacks, build complex nests, and protect their territory. Ants will often attack intruders on sight, defending their queen and colony with incredible loyalty and intensity. This makes ant nests some of the most well-guarded locations in nature. Insects that accidentally wander too close often don't make it out alive. One of the most terrifying types of ants for other insects is the army ant. Army ants don't build permanent nests. Instead, they are constantly on the move, swarming through forests or grasslands in search of food. No insect, no matter how fast or clever, can easily escape an army ant raid. Even larger animals have been known to flee when army ants approach. Insects that rely on quick escapes or hiding may find that ants can reach them no matter where they go. This kind of intelligence and unity is extremely rare in the insect kingdom and is a major reason why other insects fear ants. Some insects try to fight back. Certain beetles have hard shells that protect them from ant bites. Some butterflies and caterpillars secrete chemicals that mimic ant pheromones, tricking ants into thinking they are friends. In this way, ants don't just pose a physical threat, they can also disrupt the entire life cycle of other insects. Interestingly, the fear of ants is not limited to insects. Many small animals, including reptiles, birds, and mammals, are cautious around ants too. Some birds will pick up ants and rub them on their feathers in a behavior called anting. This may help them get rid of parasites, but it's also a way of showing control over ants without getting bitten or stung. The fact that even larger animals respect ants says a lot about how powerful and influential these tiny creatures really are. While ants may seem small to us, to the insects they live among, ants are like a well-trained army, organized, fearless, and incredibly dangerous. The fear that insects feel is not just instinct, it is wisdom learned through generations of survival. So next time you see a line of ants marching along the sidewalk or disappearing into the grass, remember that they are not just tiny bugs. They are a symbol of power and unity in the natural world. To other insects, they are a living warning sign, one that says, stay away, or face the consequences. This is why, no matter how fast, clever, or strong an insect might be, it still fears the ant. Thanks for watching, and if you found this topic fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing insights into the world of insects and nature. Until next time.